Hey guys, Terrapup here, and this is a quick follow-up to the live cast. So, I got the Radix in there with the fan, and I got the board, okay? I couldn't put the front panel because of the ribbon cable, but that's fine, because mainly what I want is this. So what we're going to try to do real quick is we're going to power it on, and then I'm going to flip over to the KVM. We're going to see if it comes on. So HDMI, USB for the keyboard. That's a good sign. We got power. I got a green light here. And just to show you real quick. So now I'm going to flip my monitor over. All right. So this to show you, I'm going to move some stuff around real quick. Oh, wrong mouse. It works. So this is my Radix Rock 5C. So Radix Rock 5C using the GeeekPi acrylic case. And believe it or not, this is going to make it a lot easier for me to work with this board. I really hadn't got any of my Radix boards up. So with that, thank you guys again for watching the live broadcast from earlier. I did want to kind of show you guys that I got it working. Until next time, peace.